Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to disable TV queue on YouTube. So in order to do it, you first have to come on YouTube TV and then you just have to provide your login credentials and you simply need to log in into your account. Afterwards, by default, you will be on the home page, but since you want to disable TV queue, you need to click on the library option, and here on this section you will be able to see all of the programs that you have entered or that you have added in your library. So the interface will look something like this that you see on the home page, but with your favorite TV shows and your programs. So you will have to click on the three dots right next to the program that you want to basically disable from the queue, and then you need to simply click on the three dots, and here you will be able to see the option of remove from queue. It would be similar as you see in your YouTube TV or in your YouTube application. So you need to click on these three dots, and here you will see the option of remove. So you just have to simply select that option, and this way you will be able to disable queue on YouTube TV. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.